We've always believed that there's a better way to harvest energy, to empower our customers with a product that's just as relentless as they are. In 2016, we began our journey to harvest the world's wasted energy and use it to make charging electronics obsolete. Thanks to the loyal support of our backers and early supporters, we've begun to realize this vision. Our first product, PowerWatch, introduced our technology to the world. Powered by body heat, PowerWatch delivered smartwatch functionality without ever needing to charge. Today, we are excited to announce our second generation product, PowerWatch 2.
We've spent the last 2 years refining our technology and process so that we can push PowerWatch even further. We've also listened closely to feedback from our customers to understand which features are most important to them. PowerWatch 2 is an all-purpose smartwatch equipped with onboard GPS positioning, intelligent heart rate monitoring, gesture recognition, and a full-color LCD display. The best thing about PowerWatch 2 is that it never needs to be charged. Improved thermoelectric generators and solar cell technology make it the world's most powerful smartwatch. We've also created an all-new smartphone app with exciting new features. It includes activity, calorie and sleep tracking, all new fitness metrics, and compatibility with third-party health and fitness apps like Apple Health Kit and Google Fit.
We are incredibly grateful to our backers for their patience and support as we built and shipped our first product. After weathering shipping delays, we have gained invaluable experience. We have made critical improvements to our processes to ensure that future products will arrive on schedule. We've also added an in-house firmware team so that we have complete development control to provide a superb user experience. At Matrix, we have worked relentlessly to capture and utilize the world's wasted energy. Please back our campaign today to help us make charging electronics a thing of the past.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind. With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world.
We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond live track, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
Most smart glasses in the market are too conceptual, expensive, and have an overall bad user experience. We hope to create smart glasses that are simple, convenient, affordable, and suitable for daily life. We created Music Lens smart glasses, the smart glasses that can listen to music, answer calls, and listen to FM radio. Music Lens are easy to carry and look just like normal glasses, so other people are totally unaware that you are listening to music on them. Your ears remain free, but you can still hear high-quality audio through Music Lens while other people can't hear what you're listening to. Music Lens is suitable for activities that are inconvenient with headphones, such as driving, cycling, having meetings, and studying in class. With Music Lens, you can answer your calls with high sound quality in a noisy environment. Music Lens picks up local FM radio signals directly, so you can easily listen to the radio. Music Lens also has touch controls and smart facial recognition, which automatically pauses the audio when you take the glasses off. Music Lens does not transmit sound through your eardrums, so wearing them for a long time won't hurt your ears. In addition to protecting hearing, Music Lens also helps people with ruptured eardrums or hearing loss to hear sounds. Compared to other music glasses, Music Lens is much more advanced and substantially ahead of the curve in terms of sound quality, sound leak reduction, and appearance. We believe that wearable smart devices will not only make people's lives more convenient, but also perfectly combine technology with current fashion trends. We hope that Music Lens will be your first pair of smart glasses, bringing you a more convenient life and a more elegant and cooler lifestyle. Music Lens audio glasses. Wear Music Lens and start your trendy music life.
Outdoor activity has been a part of my life. However, one thing troubled me for so long. Air product is suitable for outdoor activity use. But the air inflation has always been a big problem.
Until we spend 2 years to created this Max Pump 2. Max Pump 2 is the tiniest outdoor air pump. It is only 145 grams, which can be easily put into your package or backpack. It is capable of inflating all your product. The inside battery of 3,000 milliamps can inflating 60 swim rings.
Hi, I'm Patrick. I'm a businessman, frequent flyer, and designer of the Plico garment bag. We all need to look our best from time to time, but very few of us really like traveling in a suit. And that's the problem we're aiming to solve. With the Plico garment bag, you need never travel in your suit again, no matter how light you're packing. And that's why we think they're the smartest garment bags in the world. How is this possible? When we looked around us, we noticed that some of the most iconic products in the world are folding. So we thought, why not the humble garment hanger? And that's what lies at the heart of the Plico bag. It's large on the inside and ultra compact when folded. How small is it? Its footprint is smaller than a weekend newspaper. Its large internal area, tough outer shell, and patent-pending folding hanger protect your garments even on the longest journeys. Packs into your favourite bags, making it perfect for business or leisure travel. And active commuting. Pack it in your carry-on, pack it on your carry-on, or simply carry it on. Magnetic hangers secure your garments, full-width external pocket, useful interior organiser, handy slip pocket, retaining flap for larger garments, easy access internal pockets, and the whole bag hangs on a rail. We've worked with some of the best designers in the business, identified our manufacturing partners, tested dozens of prototypes with frequent flyers, and their feedback has been outstanding. But don't just take my word for it. Hear what some of our real-life road testers have to say.
I was the first person to use the bag.
I've tested the prototype on several trips now. It keeps my suit really neat.
It works with all the cases that I ever travel with.
And it looks great.
At Plico, we like to say the future is unfolding. And it's a future we'd love you to be a part of. So, if you've any questions about the Plico bag, we'd love to hear from you.